Okay, we have a Goodwill outlet near us, and they charge by the pound for electronics. I believe it's 69 cents. My wife was there, and this was in like a bin with a whole bunch of electronics and toasters and stuff. It's a Garrard 092 turntable from about 1974. The whole thing was gunked up. So I cleaned the grease off, took things apart, put like lubricating oil, like really good synthetic oil. And I also had a needle in stock for it. It has a Pickering cartridge, and I happen to have a needle which I had, or a stylus which I had when I was a kid. Like, this is like the same stylus I used when I was in my teens on like some turntable. But anyways, not bad. You know, it does a pretty good job.